Hey y'all, this is me. Okay, my name is Vanita. I'm the owner of Solo One Boutique. So I'm just getting on here just to basically kind of tell you guys about um, the things that I use and the type of earrings that I make and why sometimes I just disappear. Why I disappear because I be designing. I'm the only one that does my own earrings and stuff. So I disappear, then I'll come back and I throw content up. But one thing I be missing is I'm not showing you guys enough of me. Right. So with that being said, I create these earrings and things like that, and I crochet, of course, too. I've been crocheting for years too. So you guys might see me do earrings. You guys might see me do some crocheting. So you guys might think like, oh, she all over the board. I do digital, download, everything. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, it's just like yeah, I do be missing sometimes, and I don't like post every day. I be trying, but it just don't work because I get so into the designing and making sure my design is good, making sure that I upload those designs and whatever I do on my store. But I know that you guys want to see who I am. Who is that designer? What is she doing? Why does she, and I start making earrings because this is why. I go into the store, can't find the earrings, or the earrings is too heavy. I didn't want my earrings weighing down. I know sometimes I see women with their ears be split. I don't know why, but I go figure that maybe the earring was too heavy, weighed the ears down, earlobes down, and split the ears. So that's another reason. And then I couldn't find certain earrings to go with certain clothes I wear, So I was like, you know what, honey, I'm about to make my own, right? So I started making earrings. I've been making earrings for years too when I lived back in Minnesota, my Minnesota time. And that was way back when. But I've been crocheting just as long as I've been making earrings. So through the years, I'm learning this, do that. The hook got to be this way, got to be this way. And then I was buying things from, of course, China. I think everybody buy things from China. You really rarely find anything from the U.S., which I would love to buy from the U.S., but it's okay. As long as I can make a design and, hey, there's money for everybody. Right. So I want to tell you guys the different materials I use and all that good stuff too. So I'm an introvert. I don't really like being on here, but I'm making myself be on here because I know you guys want to see who am I? Because I'm pretty sure not everybody done seen, my name around, which is Solo One, or you see Solo One Boutique, but I'm always putting Solo up there, and it's spelled SOHLOH with the number 1. So if y'all see that, just look at what I'm doing, what I put up, what I post. It's fine. I'm here because I'm not the one to, I'm not going to show nobody how to do that because they're going to, take it in the... It's money for everybody. Who cares? The things is out there. I'll put it out there. If I know how to do it, I'll show you how to do it. I don't care. It's money for everybody. With that, sorry, y'all. With that being said, I just want to show you guys some of the things that I make, some of the things that I do, earrings, right? So everybody know I have a YouTube, not everybody. Some of you know I have a YouTube channel up already. And I do the ribbon earrings, right? So the ribbon earrings look like this. I'll show you another pair. But they look like this. And it's a disc in the middle, right? So these are the ribbon earrings, right? There's ribbon, there's rhinestones, and they got a wooden disc in the middle. That's these, right? So I make those, guess what, out of the plastic canvas. And if y'all sit up, get a little closer because of the glare, turn it because of the plastic, right? This. I make it out of plastic canvas. So this is made out of plastic canvas. And I was getting these pieces, these wooden disc pieces, right? I was getting these, it's the glare. These pieces from China. I would buy, found a good vendor that I can buy them from, and I put that in the middle. with that. So that's my ribbon earrings. And I do have a tutorial step by step on how to make those. You could put anything in the middle. You could put anything on the border of it. So if you guys want to create. But don't, when you guys cut these pieces out, when you guys watch that video and you cut those pieces out, don't throw them away. Why? This is, look, I know I'm a hoarder, but look, literally, I got so many earrings, guys. Lots. I keep those pieces because I can make more earrings out of that. I can make small earrings, like with these, right? I only have one up of these. So this is made of wood and fabric, but it has a canvas piece. But it's a smaller piece than this, you see? But it's made out of canvas. So you keep your pieces. Don't throw them away, because you can make more earrings out of it. You can do all kind of things with this, with the canvas pieces, you know? And then right now I got on these. So these are like my stud acrylic earrings or whatever. And it has a design in the middle, which I heat press the design on the acrylic piece, right? So let's get a pair. So I'm gonna grab a pair from back here, yeah. Let's try her, right? That didn't work very well. So let's get her. So these are made of acrylic pieces. See, acrylic pieces, right? Acrylic. I don't have to be that close to y'all. So these are made out of acrylic. You guys is gonna get my signature on the back. See that? Of course. And these are like the digital download that you guys can buy from anybody. You could buy a digital download from anybody, and you can go over to Canva and make them. Which I would probably start selling kits of the different ones that the digital download, if you guys want to know how. And if you guys want me to do a tutorial about how to make them, you can. Or you could just go on and just search up how to put images on acrylic pieces. Because you heat press them, of course. And I hand paint the back. And I put my signature on it for off this tin. I can't say it, but it's authentic. It's with my signature on it, okay? I'm not about to edit this video. I'm giving y'all straight up who I am, okay? Boom. So I do with all kind of pieces. I do it with the 2-inch piece, which it's a clear. See that? Clear. And this is how I buy it. I can show you guys who I get mine from. Oh, I love these ones. They're thick. They're lightweight. Everything. So I do it with the this thing is 2.5 inch. I do it with a 3-inch, and I do these with my studs. These are for the stud. And then I have these. This is a plastic, you see, just to keep it protected from it getting scratched up and all that. And I also do it with the square. And the square would look like this. See? The square. She's misunderstood, honey, because we all be misunderstood sometimes. And it has my signature right under here, right here. So a lot of my earrings you guys is going to get with my signature on it. I might even throw a Maya Angelou it's a Maya Angelou on the bottom. It might be a poem on it, but it might say Ashe. It might say something different. If y'all, I might even say, oh, I'm going to put that person's name on the back of that earring. You know what I'm saying? So nobody will be trying to steal your earrings. If they try to steal them, your name is on the back, honey. Right. Or even if they see my signature and somebody just go to steal them or whatever, girl, then it's mine because they got solo on the back of them. I know that's my earring. Can't get them, right? Because they're all going to be original. I usually do my earrings where they're limited edition because literally, yeah, but it cut off because it's not going to last that long. But yeah, so these are my paper earrings, and I can show you guys how to make them. And I have a short video of these on my YouTube. I have a video of my ribbon earrings step-by-step tutorial on that. I also make, let's pull these ones again. I'll pull these ones. So these ones right here. So these is made of fox leather, and it has a fabric over the fox feather, and this is a sublimated image. I sublimated these, right? Right. Sublimated. And then around here is ribbon, and it has the plastic canvas in the middle in there. And of course I have some wire and all that good stuff. You're not gonna find my earrings in no store, not unless the store's still in and start doing the same thing I do, which I don't care. You can do it all you want to, but who it originated from is me. So if you want original stuff and not made in a factory stuff, come to me. Right. So with that being said, I make stud earrings of acrylic. These are my stud ones. Stud. And that's what I have on. Stud. These are the Converse ones. But these are the stud ones. So if you guys want, you guys can go to, you guys can go to my my store, and you guys can get them from my store, which is solo1.com. That's my website. Or you guys can go to Etsy. You guys gonna get so many different designs on there. It's not all my designs, but you will find all my designs. You might see some from Etsy over there too, but different designs that I can put on Etsy. You guys are gonna find it over on my store, on my website, which is solo1.com. SOHLOH, the number 1.com, right? So, but with that being said, I also crochet. So you guys are going to see me putting tutorials up of me crocheting. I don't sell it. What I do is sometimes I create a lot of stuff, you guys, and I give it to Goodwill. I like the way Goodwill give back to the community. So I'll give it to them, let them sell it for whatever. I know I could sell it for $300-$400, but I know Goodwill probably only going to sell it for $20, $7.99 or whatever. But that gives people, it gives back. So I don't mind that. I don't mind doing that. But I will start selling, some more crochet stuff. I think I might just do hats. I don't know. I might not, something simple to throw up there. If you guys want me to show y'all or give y'all a tutorial on that, I will do a tutorial on that too. Just let me know what you guys want a next tutorial on. Do you guys want to know how to do the acrylic pieces? Because you guys can go online and you guys can see how to do acrylic pieces. But I do mine's different. I mean, not really different, but different. Like the back of them, like I have to show you guys how to do it because I painted and all that good stuff. And like I said, I put my signature on and all that. And my designs are my designs. Now, unless I sell those designs on Etsy, you download them and you do it yourself. But I can show you guys how to do that if you want. So with that being said, I haven't been on here. I haven't been showing myself because I'm an introvert. So I really don't care to be on here. I'm kind of like a loner and all that stuff. So I don't be on here. But I know that a face and me talking to you guys, I have to show myself so you guys will know who I am. And I don't mind showing people what I do and how to do it because you know why? There's enough money for everybody out here, or whatever. I will sell starter kits, if y'all want them, I can sell that. I can show you guys how to do it. You know what I'm saying? Like with the paper earrings, I might have a video. I just don't know how to. I can show you guys how to do it. Just let me know if you guys wanted the acrylic ones. You guys want the paper ones. I can show you guys how to do it or whatever. I don't mind or whatever. And I can give you guys the materials on those videos. I can give you guys the materials, exactly what I use, and I can, get you guys to those, and you guys can buy the exact same things or use what you want to use to make them. But right now, like I said, the video I do have up right now of a step-by-step tutorial is my ribbon earrings. So you guys can go over there, look at that. Like I said, don't throw them pieces away because you can continuously use those pieces for littler earrings, for different other, so don't throw them away. But with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. I just wanted to show you guys some of the earrings I make. Like I make I also make these, This is ribbon with the plastic pieces up under, the canvas plastic pieces. And that's, of course, jean fabric. So, this is again, and wood. This is wood, and then I got some wire on there. I make different things, you guys, So if you guys want to see more, sorry, I gotta get that with my box, in my earring box, so that's a good thing. But just let me know. This is me. I'm Vanita. I'm from Solo One Boutique. You guys want to either purchase, you guys want to learn how to do it, let me know what you guys want, and then I can bring it to you. I can bring it to you. I can show you what I know. I might not be perfect. I might not be doing wrong, but it's the way I do it. And if you guys feel like you guys want to do this, and I'm going to try and put some more things together to where you guys can have starter kits. Like you guys might want to start a kit on. I might do a digital download, and then, I might do a wholesale. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do next. But I know you guys don't see me on here a lot. I might post more than I'm on here talking, because I don't do this, but I'm saying I'm going to start really trying to do this, because this is what I do. I do this because it's a stress reliever. It's a woosah, it's woosah for me. I can get away, and it takes me away. It takes me away. It takes me in that design space. So with that being said, thank y'all for listening. I'm going to cut this short. Let me know what y'all want. Let me know if you guys want the acrylic video tutorial step-by-step. If you guys want the paper step-by-step. I'm a crochet hats. You guys want a tutorial on that? I can show you that. Let me know. I can do Zoom. We might have Zoom classes, something. Let me know. Let me know what I can do more to help you guys designing these earrings that I do. The earrings I do. Just let me know. And with that being said, like, subscribe. I would try and reach 1,000, trying to get monetized. If so, I would love it. If not, hey, I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that, as long as I can reach somebody. Right. So, as long as I could teach somebody how to do this too, it's fine. Because like I said, everybody can make money. There's money out here to be made. It's like, why is people, who is a secret, ancient African secret? It's not. It's easy. It's just, putting it out there, and then you could put your own twist on it. You don't got to do it the same way. You might find a different way to do it. I show you, but you might put your own twist on it. You ain't got to do it everything I do. It's just putting y'all on to something that I do that's kind of different that people's doing. But, it's up to you. However you want to do it. And I'm still putting earrings up on my little thing here. I just moved, y'all, so I'm still trying. This apartment is a mess, so I'm hoping this be my last year of renting. I'm hoping within the next year or two I can be buying my house. And like I said, I work a full-time job. I want to make this, making earrings and all that, my second job. You know what I'm saying? I want to make this like really my go-to job. I don't want to work for nobody. So this is why I'm trying to put this out here and trying to get it out here and trying to, do what I have to do to keep moving on. And like I said, I buy digital downloads from people, and I throw them on earrings. If I think it can go on an earring, I'm going to put it on an earring. If I think it can go on a shirt, because I do have that too, y'all, on tee.pub. I'm on tee.pub, Spreadshirt. And I'm on Amazon too. You guys can go buy your shirts and sweatshirts off of Amazon. I'll be throwing, come on now. You got, I'll be all over the board. I might be everywhere. All I ask is just support me. That's it. Because I'm going to give you something different. I'm going to definitely give you something different. I'm not here to none of that. I'm going to give you something different every time. If I could put it together and it stay together, I'm going to put it together and I'm going to share it with y'all. And if I can show y'all how to do it, I'm going to teach y'all how to do it. With that being said, like, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want next. Let me know. That's it. See you later.